Hello, this is Ron here. We're at St. Simons Island, Georgia at Fort Frederica National Monument Visitor Center. This is, we're at March, what date is it? 29th?
28th.
28th, March 28th. It's a warm 80-degree day here. Alright, this is Rod at Fort Frederica, St. Simons Island, Georgia. This is the only remains of the fort that was built in 1742, I believe. The last standing element of it. It was preserved in 1904 by Preservation Society. So again, this was a British settlement in the early 1700s. It was established several years before the independence, and it was used to fight the Spanish invaders off in the 1700s. Again, this is the last remaining remnants of the fort. All right, thank you. Hey, it's Ron back here at my adventures in the great state of Georgia here. Again, I'm on St. Simons Island today, and we're going to explore the fishing pier behind me, and then we're going to go down and check the lighthouse out here. So, just stay tuned. We're going to take a walk here. All right, folks, we're visiting St. Simons Island Pier here. Looks like it's a free pier here. I guess they do fishing off the end of it. We'll find out here. We're going to walk out to the end. It's not a long pier by New Jersey standards, but it's certainly nice with all these benches here. You have a beautiful wide beach to the south of the pier here. Many people out here enjoying a stroll along the water here. Alright, so we're continuing our walk out to the end of the beach here. Unfortunately, there's a no drone sign for all you drone flyers there. Looks like it's lighted at night here. I haven't spotted any fishermen yet, but we will see once we get out to the end. Here we go. We got a couple guys fishing here. Got some sort of industry going out here off the pier. Hi, it's Ron from Ron's Travel and Adventure channel here. Today I'm in St. Simons, Georgia, St. Simons Island, and behind me is, let me try to get it focused in good, that is the St. Simons Lighthouse. It was built in the 1700s. There was a fire and it burned down at one point, and they rebuilt it, and it was first electrified in 1904. Before that it used like an oil lamp to light it. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm squinting here. I'm in pretty bright sunlight out here, but it's a great day here at the end of March 2021. It's already like an 80-degree day here at the beach in St. Simons. So that's it for this story. I got plenty of good pictures and videos to go along with this little introduction video, so you just stay there and enjoy the show.